Check out our newest IVR update that is allowing multi call recordings. With the multi call recordings for IVR feature, it is going to allow you to access and review multiple call recordings for IVR calls, enhancing transparency and improving your service quality. This feature has a ton of benefits. First of all, this is going to improve transparency because you can effortlessly switch between different call recordings for an IVR call. It's also going to enhance your service quality. Now you can use multiple call recordings to better understand the customer journey and improve quality assurance processes. And this comes with detailed analytics. Now you're going to be able to gain much deeper insight into your customers' interactions, which is essential for trend analysis and training purposes. As far as a practical use scenario, now when your business receives an IVR call, you can now access multiple call recordings from the reporting tab. This is going to enable you to review and analyze different parts of the conversation to improve customer service. Let me show you exactly where to access this call reporting. First, it is going to be under the Reporting tab in the main left-hand navigation. Then you're going to go to Call Report and you're going to scroll down. You can switch between different recordings as seen here. This feature within the CRM provides enhanced transparency and detailed analytics of customer interactions, helping you improve service quality and understanding the customer journey better. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.